Bad case of sticker shock in the federal budget, as well as in the showroom. Steve Brown, Fox News.
A Florida judge has now resealed 15 days to appeal yesterday's decision to allow prosecutors to examine those records. Prosecutors had already begun that search, looking for evidence that Limbaugh was doctor shopping, that is, seeking prescriptions for narcotic painkillers from multiple doctors without telling them about each other. Next on Special Report, warnings of terror lead to dramatic precautions as Air France cancels flights to and from the City of Angels. That's next.
Wow. Hey, your snowman has a teeny weeny head.
Let's make his head more presentable.
Oh, Ray! These are chilly. Never actually touched the snow with my hands.
He's the second one he's bigger.
There, now he's got 2 years.
Looks like kind of a fat lady.
Now look, 2 years right here. These are his years. These batteries an alien eye. Ah.
Did it get in?
Did it?
Yeah.
Matt, what are you hitting that?
What?
What y'all throwing at?
But this too, in particular, is a threat to
Oh, that was a good one I got over too. I'm gonna paint it with a belt. I thought
That's not bad.
He winds up for the pitch.
Oh, God. Yeah, is it 2 against 1? Is that what the deal is? Oh, bad.
One, two, three.
Snowman looks kind of like a pig.
From another planet. Y'all get by the snowman, guys.
Okay.
Alright, man, okay. Snowman.
We have to take a picture.
Snowman picture.
Take a picture, Mary. Okay, we need a snowman picture.
1, 2, 3, smile. One more.
One more.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
There we go.
It's recording. Today is Christmas Eve, We're in the car. We're driving to church. Here's Dad. He was a good sport to take us all to church. And Ted and Mary Beth.
My hair!
It's December 2003. We are in Truckee, California. It's been snowing all day. This is the most snow that we've seen in a very long time. Oh, look, see, you can use the zoom on this. This is so great. Oh my gosh.
Right after this building.
There is so much snow on everything. It's unbelievable.
You know where the church is?
Yeah, it's past Old Town. You have to go past Old Town and then it's on. Ted's been doing crossword puzzles the whole time.
Show Mommy crossword puzzle.
And Mary's behind me, so I can't get her
Look at these
too
guys
well.
up here trying to clear the road.
People working, trying to make the roads clear for us. Oh my goodness.
Mary did take the long way, didn't
Yeah.
they? Because we're back to the highway again.
Go, go,
We're
Cameron.
going through Old Town,
God.
Truckee. They have a bunch of little old shops. It kind of reminds of Durango. We went shopping this morning and ate breakfast at the Squeeze Inn.
Jackass Rick.
This is a nice name. Read it, guys.
Pat slapping a stick.
Don't mess with Texas.
Yeah. Oh, there's my
So I wonder if Barry knows where he's at.
Well, that's all they said was you just pass it up and it's a little bit on your left.
Who said that?
Oh, we called.